Greetings from the island. I'm here with Jim, a car guy. This is his custom-built 1950 Chevy 3100. It's not for sale, but he's got another one for sale. So stick around and he'll tell you about this one. And then when we get done, he'll tell you about the other one. So this has the look of a 3/4 ton, but it's not, right?
No, it weighs 4,700 pounds.
4,700 pounds, wow.
It's on a Blazer chassis.
Okay.
Suburban differentials, Suburban overdrive automatic. It's got vintage air, power everything. And it's been all over the West hauling a 1950 Silver Streak 18-foot trailer, the only one on the road today.
Yeah, and I shot that at his place, and I'll probably refresh that. So what year is the Blazer platform that's underneath it?
That'd be in the 70s.
In the 70s, wow. Okay, so you did everything on this?
No, actually, Yusik, who did this truck right behind you.
Is this Yusik's truck?
It's not anymore. He just sold it. The guy's picking it up next week.
So Yusik is a tow guy on the island.
Right, and Yusik and I did this truck.
Oh, Yusik and you did this truck. Okay.
After one of our car shows, he says, I got something you want to see. So I went up to his shop, and it was the cab sitting on the chassis.
All right, so I'm going to have you go over and open the door. We'll take a look inside the cab if that's okay, and then we'll pop the hood. How's that sound? Are you up for that? All right, let's follow Jim over. And the rain's kind of let up a little bit.
Sun's going to come out.
Sun's going to come out. We sound like we're doing a promo for an Annie musical here, Jim.
Yeah, really.
Sun's going to come out today instead of tomorrow. Yeah. Isn't that nice? So your gauge set.
Gauges are, they're Dolphin replacements.
All right. But is that similar to what you had in the day as far as fitting?
They were the same holes.
Same holes.
Size.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so you did that.
And basically the rest of it's pretty much stock, except for the air conditioning unit.
Got a vintage air.
And the power.
So I'm going to walk around the back, and then you can pop the hood. And you can show people what's underneath the hood.
Since we knew it was going to be four-wheeling in the desert, we took the bumpers in.
So he pulled the bumpers in.
Right.
Well, that's a good idea. You don't see that very often.
All over the deserts in the Southwest.
Okay.
Surprising the Jeep people from Moab. It was in the Moab car show.
So this will give you some information, and while you read that...
No, that's about COVID.
Oh, that's about COVID. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's just information about COVID. And I'm going to have him pop the hood so you can see what's under the hood.
It hasn't been cleaned.
It hasn't been cleaned. Well, you took a shower, didn't you?
I'm clean.
Okay, he's clean. What do we got under the hood here, Jim?
That's a new 350 crate engine.
Okay.
And that's got desert dust all over it from four-wheeling in Utah. Anyway, we had to weld in a heavier firewall to support the modern brakes.
Right.
The power assist. And the...
So what's that brake system off? Is that a Hydro Boost?
Well, it's just a vacuum boost.
Just a vacuum boost,
yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, so we had to redo the steering column and all that. That's all been redone.
I like your radiator.
And the radiator, modern radiator.
Okay.
And it's a bit of a squeeze. We had to trim the frame just a little bit for the headers.
Okay.
You can see on this side, you can see where we cut out a touch.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go over to the other side.
It was pretty when I put it together.
Now I was over at your place a few weeks ago. You've got another truck for sale.
That's right.
Okay, so what do you got for sale? And you can just describe it, and then folks can give you a call if they want pictures. What's the vehicle that you got for sale?
Pictures I got right here.
Okay, let's look at the pictures then.
Yeah,
so I'll tell you what, we'll wrap up this video. Yusik will pop open the pictures, and we'll show you that one that he's got for sale. We'll wrap it up. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. It's rainy, but nice on Orcas.